What I wish I knew about flightless birds instead of just penguins. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive into the world of flightless birds. First up, the kiwi. This tiny bird from New Zealand can't fly, but it's got a superpower, an amazing sense of smell. Did you know kiwis can sniff out bugs underground? Next, we have the mighty ostrich. These giants can't take off, but they sure can run. An ostrich can sprint up to 45 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars in a city. And let's not forget the adorable penguin. Sure, they waddle on land, but underwater, they're like little rocket ships. Penguins can swim up to 22 miles per hour. Which bird fact surprised you the most? Comment below. And remember, not all birds need to fly to be fascinating. Stick around for more mind-blowing animal facts. Bye for now.